You wanted 38 million, half of Steertown, the house in Tower Isles, and half of her business. You didn't get it, so you gave her 12 gunshots. Kirk Lawrence, you took away our mentor, our backbone. Youth, you mess up.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Youth, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, just yesterday, a police corporal in Jamaica took the life of his wife by allegedly shooting her 12 times to the upper body. Then, after committing this gruesome act, the corporal then released a voice note explaining the reason for his actions.
I love it all on, you know. Oh, this is the last time I hear my voice. Wife, I time with my life. I'm confident, I can't tell you. Time with my life. I got a station last night report. Boyfriend come from Miami, I come back Johnson. Come and talk to you, man. You man lick off the door to get money. I time with my life. I time with my life. And this morning, I have to kill her. I'm sorry, but I say go. I'm not going to see your face judgment. So I love you all on. Say go. One love. All right.
But the sister of the deceased businesswoman spoke out today and gave a deeper insight as to the issues. Let's take a look. You wanted 38 million, half of Steertown, the house in Tower Isles, and half of her business. You didn't get it, so you give her 12 gunshots. Kirk Lawrence, you took away our mentor, our backbone. Youth, you mess up. You're a coward. My sister was just too brave and courageous. From the first day we met you, everybody hated you. But we wanted our sister to be happy, so we prayed and accepted you. You broke the bond me and my sister had apart, and there's a penalty for that. God is our keeper, and I look to him for strength. No more mommy for Jawan, Auntie Poto for Jaden, D for Alton, Diane for Mama, sister for Marlon and Robert, and I had a bunch of names for you. When I wanted something, it was Janet. When I'm mad at you, it was Diane. When we're talking business, it was sister. My heart is torn apart. You loved and cared for everybody. You set an impact. You're a role model, and your legacy lives forever. I'ma make you proud, sister. Give me a dream so I know you're okay. I know you're in heaven. I'm going to make it right so we meet again. Alton is devastated. He lost his only reason for living. Marlon said life is messed up. Robert said how am I gonna manage? Your mother has a heart disease. She did not ever think about burying you. Jawan said, I no longer have a mother, but I have Auntie Cadine, Auntie Michelle, Uncle Alton, and Grandma. We have a small family, but you had many friends. Your grandma, aunts, uncles, cousins, we all love and miss you. Since the incident, the police corporal has been arrested and is in police custody while investigations continue. In relation to Sunday's daring robbery of a Chinese food store in Maypen, members of the Chinese business community say they are terrified as it appears that their business are being targeted by criminals. One business operator said watching the video of Sunday's robbery in Maypen made him so frustrated and angry, and it was like watching a movie. Him said the government claims that them do crime fighting, but yet look how much high-powered rifle them on the street, said that Chinese business operator. Him also explains that 11 years now him operate for him business. But during that time frame, him said him have numerous robbery attempts. Him said about 2 years ago, a robber tried to enter him premises from the rooftop. Him have to call King Alarm, and it's a good thing that somebody did there on the premises will have a licensed firearm and challenge the robber, and the robber run. So the Chinese man said the place just not feel safe for Chinese people. Him said once your business are going good, them are going to feel targeted. And them say anytime you see a Chinese people, the robber them feel like the Chinese have money. Not saying that other business places not get targeted, but them are target Chinese business places on a whole, is what the Chinese man said. Another Chinese business operator who operated Haberdashery in St. Catherine for about 5 years said them rob him at gunpoint. The man said them stand up outside and wait like them a customer, and as soon as he open the door and go inside, them come in and lock the door behind them and start the robbery. The man say, yo, Jamaicans need to remember, say, robberies affect Jamaicans as well, is what the Chinese man said. The man said, you need to remember, so when the robber them come in at the store, it's not only the Chinese owner or business operators, the robber them are all and pan. Them are all as hostage, the shoppers who in at the store as well, and the employees, and them need to remember, said them kind of thing they affect the country and the economy, and investors where want invest in the country, is what the Chinese man said. Another Chinese business operator in Manchester who said she get robbed twice, said right now she and other Chinese business operators are collect some donations for help out with the officers who got injured in Maypen's shootout, right? She says, yo, them want to give back to the people, them want to protect them, and so far them collect up to $400,000 to $500,000 for the police them who get injured. Also, upon that topic, the officer who got shot Sunday spoke out and said that him almost think him never did go live. So the sergeant who was shot in the abdomen and the leg while trying to stop Sunday's robbers explained, said him not feel like him would have survived without the help of his colleagues. The man said him tell him colleagues themselves to go and left him, and them tell him say, yo, we nah left. Explaining that he was with 2 other police officers when the shooting began. So the sergeant explains that yo, him feel like him did on the ground for about 15 to 20 minutes away for help. And him say one of the police them just brave up and turn on the M16 pan the robber them in order to come save him. Yo, so the man say while the shot them are beating up, me squaddy them just brave up and hold on pan me and draw me behind a wall in order to save me, said the 17-year veteran pan the police force. The man say in all him years pan the police force, him never seen nothing like that shootout there. The man say it was terrible, but one thing him say in spite of everything where him colleagues them stand by him side and say yo, them nah left him. So right now the officer is counting his blessings. The man say he is grateful that none of his organs were damaged. Him say the shot fly through him abdomen and exit through him back. But him say yo, him did fearful that him a go lose him leg, because him say when him get the shot from him foot, him leg did a dangle. Sad. So people, in the middle of shooting this very same video here, somebody call me, my phone ring, me get interrupted. Them say unstoppable. See in here say the brother who record the video of Sunday's robbery, where did they cross the road, a record, get shoot, and him dead. I say yo, can't be true. Because a woman, I go search and do some research quick, fast and hurry, and I see this picture here. And I say, Jano. Now people, I don't know the facts yet, but I say, me tell you know about it. I'm not confirming this, but me I hope and pray say, I'm not true. Me I hope and pray say, it is not the truth. Jano. People, it's sad. It's truly sad. Jano. Me I hope and pray say I'm not true. Hoping and praying say I'm not true. Me don't want to hear the bad news about the brother will actually record the video. People, please tell me say I'm not true. If anyone want to get the information, you know, by the time you comment still, me probably find out the factual thing, whether it's factual or not. You see, but if you don't get any information on it, comment in the comment section. Jano. It's like me lose all my chain of thought when the person call me and tell me what go on. And this photograph is actually being circulated right now. Me lose my chain of thought, people. Me can't believe it. The security minister said me pen run away, you know. And me can't believe I really saw me pen run, people. If this are really the way me pen run, it really oughta and people, me gone here, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. No matter what, be careful. I'm not even going to send nobody stop you. Be careful at Jamaica, yeah? We don't want to hear no more bad news. Because we are here too much already. The Chinese people, them a cry out and say them fear for them life right now and feel like say them a get targeted. But see, if this news is actually true, and the brother they will do the recording really get shot and killed, the Chinese was right. And them alone are get affected by this. Jamaicans are get affected as well. People, big up on yourself. My God, see? Bless up.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.